From the mind that brought us Summer Wars, Mirai, and The Girl Who Leapt Through Time, Mamoru Hosoda is back, and this time, he's diving into a world far darker than anything he's ever created before. For nearly 2 decades, Mamoru Hosoda has been one of the most visionary storytellers in anime, co-founding Studio Chizu and consistently delivering deeply emotional, visually stunning films every 3 years. 2006, The Girl Who Leapt Through Time. 2009, Summer Wars. 2012, Wolf Children. 2015, The Boy and the Beast. 2018, Mirai. 2021, Belle. But in 2024, fans were met with silence. No new film, just anticipation. That silence was finally broken with the announcement of Scarlet, a dark fantasy anime set to challenge everything we think we know about Hosoda's work. Unlike his previous works, Scarlet is rendered entirely in full CG, offering a visually bold and striking style that complements its intense narrative. Scarlet follows the journey of Princess Scarlet, a young royal driven by vengeance after the passing of her father. Her quest pulls her into the land of the dead, where madness reigns and danger is absolute. Her enemy is powerful. The world is in chaos. Time and space seem to bend. And at the heart of this descent is a single burning question. Can she find life in the midst of despair? The concept for Scarlet began in 2022, born from the global instability that followed the COVID-19 pandemic. While past works like Belle explored emotion through music and fantasy, and The Boy and the Beast dove into spiritual growth, Scarlet enters uncharted territory, full-on dark fantasy. Scarlet premieres in Japan on November 21st, 2025, with a North American release set for December 12th. And yes, it will hit theaters worldwide. This could be Hosoda's most ambitious project yet, and perhaps his darkest. Will Scarlet find peace, or be consumed by madness? We'll find out this fall. We'll subscribe for more anime news and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Mamoru Hosoda film so far?